One story stands out. Story of Suman and Shashi, who came to our 21-day retreat all the way from New York. Their story impressed me. It was a story of rags to riches. They went to New York from India with just two young children. They worked hard and made it big. Suman is an owner of a business, and Shashi too started her own business, and they're doing well. But they got sick. Wealth is not everything if you don't have health. Suman had pre-diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, psoriasis. Shashi too had a few problems. The medicines were spiraling upward. So they came for the 21-day retreat. Suman and Shashi always sat on the front in the classes, and they attended yoga, meditation, nature walks, swimming classes, cooking classes. Suman lost 7.5 kilos in 21 days. He had to punch holes in his belt to hold his pants up. Anyone can transform their health through lifestyle changes, not medicine.
It takes 21 days to build a habit, and you can do it too. So if you want to get rid of medicines, do give yourself 21 days.